Okay, that's good. So make sure we're in the middle, front to back. Sorry.
Okay.
And in the middle, side to side. Okay? With that in the middle, front to back, and side to side. Now we can take the jack out. All right, put the socket on the filter.
Okay.
2 hands.
Okay.
Good? All right, now we'll make sure our switch is in the right position. Move the handle back and forth and see which way it goes. Okay, so this means we're going the right way because it's going to turn this way. Here, use this hand because it's more leverage. Here, yeah, both hands is good too. And okay, ratchet back, loosen some more. Okay, great job. Good. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Pull. Other way. You're pulling this way. Yep. Remember lefty loosey. That's it. It's loose. Ready?
Yeah, ready. Go.
It's all gonna start pouring out.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, while you're under here, you start looking at like bushings and stuff and see if anything's worn out. All right. There it goes.
There you go.
Okay. Now we can get out and let that do its thing. And while it's doing that, we'll go change the filter. So we're gonna unscrew this all the way.
Okay. So I see it's going.
See? See all that oil?
Yes.
Remember, this is the filter, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And why is it old?
Well, you change it every 5,000 miles.
Then does it get old?
Yep, then it's time to change again. Because it takes all the bad stuff out of the oil. Right?
Yeah. So it's leaking?
Nope.
What is it doing?
Just draining. All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, now we take this and get our new one.